Today I'm going to show you a new way to wash your jars.
Hey y'all, and welcome back. I want to show you what to do when you have a dirty jar. If you have a dirty jar that you can't get your hand down in to wash, I'm going to show you today a simple, easy way you can do it. If you've got one of these that you use on your cast iron, and most of us think this is only for cast iron, I'm going to show you how you can use it in a jar. What you'll do is just put you a little bit of soap on your scrubber, just like that. Let me show you. And now we're going to put that down in the jar. Going to add a little bit of water to that. Not much. We're going to put the lid on it, and then we're just going to shake it and try to get it to where it'll go around and around all the way over your jar. So if you're like us and you do a lot of canning and you have a lot of jars you empty and it's hard to get them clean, using one of these that you use on your cast iron skillet can work in your jars also. So if you was to make yogurt or even butter using the jar method, get you one of these things. It'll make cleaning your jars so much easier. Now let's take it out. And now what I do is just pour this in my dishwater. I don't waste this soap and use it. But first we're going to use it for the jar. So let me pour this in the sink. And yes, I'm going to make a mess because this is wet. But then I just take this and you go around the top of your jar where your lid was on it. So this is one of the easiest ways that I have found to wash my mason jars. Now let me rinse it. Y'all don't see them dirty dishes over there. But yes, I've got to wash dishes. But I just wanted to show you how to wash your mason jars. Because it's hard to get your hand down in them. You can't. Now, y'all just look at that jar. How clean that got it. So if you use a lot of mason jars, you need to get you one of these. They're in the cast iron skillet section. I think even Walmart carries them. If not, you can order them off of Amazon. These are great to scrub your cast iron and to scrub your mason jars. Whoever knew? Thanks for watching. You can find different styles, different shapes, but they basically all work the same. Now don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the hype button.